This video we are looking at conditional class list binding. So in JavaScript, when I want to add or remove a class from an element, you say class list.add or class list.remove. This binding expression does exactly the same sort of a thing. So again, we have a .if, so you'll say class list.if in the HTML. It's a stock standard ternary expression again. So if the age is less than 20, then I want to use the class called red. So if you look at the class here at the top, it's red. And then we have a blue class, and we also have a background class that we're going to use later. But these just set the colors for now. So if it's less than 20, use the red, else use the blue. So if I go to my example here and I move the mouse around, you'll see now that the class has changed on the element. It's now red and now it's blue. So it removed the red and added the blue, it removes the blue and adds the red. You can also use multiple classes at the same time. So let's go and have a look at that. So what we'd want to do here is, okay, well, I want this thing to be red, but it must also use black. So in this case, we're just going to use an array expression to say we want the red and we want the back. So if we go back to our example and we just refresh it and we go below, you'll see that it has now red and back, and as you can see there, and as soon as we move over it, it's just the blue again. So to summarize, conditional class expressions, you use the attribute class list with a .if on it to show that it is a conditional expression. It uses a standard ternary expression. If you use multiple styles, then you would just use the style itself. But if you use multiple styles, you'll put it in an array like this one. But if you only have a single one, then you can just use the single quoted value.